In this video, I will show you how to turn iPhone display to grayscale. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down again and tap on Color Filters. Toggle the switch next to Color Filters to turn it on. Now select Grayscale from the color filter options. Now your iPhone display is changed to grayscale. You can also set the intensity using slider provided at the bottom. So that is how you can turn iPhone display to grayscale. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.